Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll walk through the process of setting up shopping on Shopify. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify page. We are going to focus on one of the major settings: shipping and delivery. Begin by navigating to the bottom section and click on Settings. This menu contains several options to help you to build a professional store. Select Shipping and Delivery. From the list, choose Shipping and Delivery. This section allows you to choose where you ship and how much you charge for the shipping and checkout. Let's start with the general shipping rates. Decide where you want to set rates to specific products or all products. Since I have only one product in my store, I will set a shipping rate for this specific product. Indicate where your products are being shipped from by setting the shipping location. Define shipping zone to specify the area you ship to. Add multiple zones as needed. Click on Create Zones and add countries or regions. Activate any inactive zone by selecting them and toggling their status to active. Go back and add the shipment rate for each zone. Start with domestic shipment rate. Click on Add Rate and give your rate a name. Set a pricing and add conditional pricing if necessary. Click Done when finished. Follow the same steps for other non-domestic zones, setting different prices as needed. Next, let's work on setting the expected delivery date. You have two options. 1. Shop promise. Activate it to show calculated delivery dates on your store. Tick and untick the options for payment method as you like. Two, manually delivery date. Calculate expected delivery dates by adding shipping date transit time to your order processing time. Set up local delivery. For local delivery, click on Shop Location. Check the box Offer Local Delivery. Adjust the currency. The postal code and the pricing. Then save your changes. Similarly, activate local pickup. Provide information for checkout and set the expected pickup time. Insert the order ready for pickup notification, email, and save your changes. add a packaging. Click on Add Packaging to create a new package. Provide a name, package type, length, the width, the height, and the weight. Click Add Package to finalize. Packaging slip. View and customize the packaging slip as necessary. Lastly, set up custom order fulfillment by clicking on Add Fulfillment Service. Enter the name in the email address and save the changes. That is it. You will now set up the shipping on Shopify. Thank you for watching